Yeah, so what I'm doing is pinning down all this moss that I picked up from the yard and sort of creating like a collage of different mosses. And eventually what will happen is, and you can see over here how they've already started to weave together. Um, Eventually all this will weave together. So what I do is I put it down, wet the ground first, and then wet the moss really well. And then I pin it down so in case it does dry out, let's say it's a sunny hot day, it, and the wind blows, it won't blow away. It'll still stay there, but I'm going to be misting it every day just to make sure it doesn't dry out. And hopefully next year, over the winter, it'll weave together and I'll have a nice little patch of moss lawn.
And it's part of your Japanese garden,
Yeah.
and it's sort of going to camouflage the ditch that you had to dig.
Yeah, that's right. I had to dig a trench here for pruning the rhizomes from all this bamboo that we planted. And to kind of hide the edge, I'm putting this moss in to sort of soften it. And I'm going to put some plantings and eventually maybe some more ground cover or something. And you won't really notice the trench. Um, Eventually I'm going to fill the trench halfway with sand as well.
Nice. Thank you.
Thanks, Annie.